Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roos. I've been doing yoga for nearly 20 years and I've been teaching for the past 10. I'm a full-time yoga teacher in Holland and abroad, and I make videos every Wednesday. And today's video is a short yoga class in a beautiful fields of my parents' farm where we organize yoga retreats. This class will be just some standing poses because the grass is still pretty wet. Sometimes you don't have time to grab your mat and put on your yoga leggings, so it will be an accessible class for everyone. And my friend Jeri is joining us today, so he'll be chilling out with us. So come to stand. Have your feet hips distance, knees soft, pelvis engaged, core engaged, arms relaxed. Imagine your crown growing up to the ceiling or the sky if you're outside, and your tailbone rooting down towards the earth. Close your eyes. Feel your weight on the soles of your feet and see if you can bring it more into balance. Feel the soft swaying of your body. Hear the noises around you and use them as reminders to stay in the moment, to stay present with your breath. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. Bow your head to your hands. In gratitude and respect towards your body, slowly open your eyes, lift up your head, relax your arms. We're going to do a Drew yoga exercise today that's called 4 directions. And to do it, bye Jeri, we're going to just warm up the body a little bit. So start with your fingers by tapping your head as if your fingers are little raindrops on your skull. Let them come to the back of your head as well, and your neck. Move on towards your shoulders. And then make one fist and slowly start to tap on the inside of your other arm. Your biceps, your triceps. Go down to the forearm, the wrist, your hand, your fingers, the thumb. Go around towards the outside of the hand. Just softly tapping your body awake. Even if it's evening, your body physically may have been not very active. Tapping on the outside edge of the arm, in the front of the shoulder. And then go over to the other side, switch arms, go on the inside of your arm, down towards the wrist and the hand, tapping the fingers, the outside of the hand, and going back up on the outside. Both hands go on your chest, so you're creating a Tarzan movement. Careful with the mic. Just activating the lungs, the chest muscles. And then go down a little bit to your stomach area, softly tapping the stomach. Going down on the left side, over to the right, and then back up on the right. Always in this direction, because that is the way that your digestive system is set up as well. We don't want to bring that out of balance. Relax your stomach muscles and make it a little bit more active maybe. Good. Then bring your arms out to the sides of your hips. You can bend the knees a little bit. Tap your hips and your thighs, the top of your legs. Set your legs a little bit wider. Go to the inside edge of your one leg. Go down on the inside, careful with the knee, never really tapping on the knee. Inside of the lower leg, the foot, the toes, the outside of the foot and the ankle. And then go back up on the outside. Ooh. The thigh can handle a little bit more pressure because the legs are quite strong, so don't be shy. Go to the other side. Inside of the leg goes down all the way to the ankle, and the toes, and the foot. And go back up on the outside all the way. And then I'm going to turn around so you can see. Use the tops of your fists to tap your own butt. Can be quite active as well. Glutes are really strong muscles, so don't be shy. It's your own butt. It's okay. And then go up a little bit more and rub the spine, the back of the spine, and a little bit more up to the middle. Slowly lower. And just find your Tadasana again, your mountain pose. Knees soft, belly engaged. Close your eyes. Feel the tingling throughout your body, being a little bit more active. A little bit more physically awake. Slowly open your eyes. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. Lift up your right knee. I'll do the opposite so it's easy for you to see. And then open it to the side, step it wide. Bend your knees and imagine picking up something from the ground. Pulling it into your heart area. Then bringing the hands underneath it and reaching up to the sky. Lifting it up and then opening the arms just slightly. Bring the hands back together. Bring it towards your heart area with a little bit of space between your hands. Go towards your right. Make a big circle with your arms as you inhale, go up. Exhale, go down and towards the right again. Back to center. Switch sides. So out towards the left. Inhale, big circle. All the way the legs move with the arms and then back to your heart. This is the basis of the 4 direction sequence. Of course, there is a breath with it as well. And we'll step it so we go in all 4 directions. Important that you're moving your legs softly with the breath. So when the arms move, the legs also go in sort of a circle with the hips. All right, so let's do that again. Feet together, hands in front of your heart. Inhale, lift your right knee, step it open. Toes are outwards, bend your knees. Exhale. Inhale, pull that energy up from the earth towards your heart. Hands underneath. And then the next inhale, reach it up and open as if you're creating a rainbow in between your hands. Inhale, bring the hands together and towards your heart. Extend your arms to the right. As you inhale, start to circle the arms. And at the end of the movement, exhale, bring your hands back to your heart. Other side. Go to the left, hold your breath for a moment, then start to circle, inhale. Go back. Exhale to your heart. Beautiful. Now instead of stepping back, we're going to step it open. So the right leg steps open. 1, 90-degree angle. So now you're facing a new direction. As you exhale, you reach down. Inhale, pull up to your heart. Exhale, hands underneath. Inhale, reach them up. Open, exhale. Inhale, back together. Exhale, down to your heart. To the right, do the circle. Inhale, start. Big circle. Exhale, back to the center. Switch sides, hold your breath. Inhale, circle. Exhale, back to your heart. Again, stepping the right leg, one big step. So now your back is towards me. That's okay, you know what to do. Exhale, reach to the ground. Inhale, pull it up towards your heart. Inhale, hands underneath. Exhale, push up. Inhale, open. Exhale, hands back to your heart. Move to the right. Big circle, inhale. As your hands go back to your heart, exhale. Switch, hold your breath. Inhale, up. Big circle. Exhale, back to your heart. Last time, step your right leg open. Exhale, down. Inhale, come up to your heart. Exhale, hands underneath. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, open. Inhale, hands together. And exhale to your heart. Extend your arms to the right. Inhale, big circle. Exhale to your heart. Hold your breath. Switch. Inhale, circle up and down. Exhale, back to your heart. And then turn back to the front. Feet hips distance. Hands in front of your heart. Close your eyes. Feel the movements still working in your body as you're standing still. Feel your feet grounded and your body being open in all four directions. Your heart being open in all four directions. We'll close together with one Om. Fully inhale. Bow your head to your hands. Inhale here. Open your mouth. Exhale. Slowly lift your head. Open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed this short sequence that I personally really love. I love to do it outside, as you can see, because it's really connected to nature and the earth. So if you have the possibility, definitely do that. Maybe try it in a park or on the beach or underneath a big tree like I'm doing. If you like this video, remember to give it a little thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Didn't you want to come do yoga with us? Me? Didn't you want to come and play with me? Oh, my.
you.